Hi guys, Aibowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Self Motive channel. In the last video, we saw about some inspirational persons. Today, we will see about who inspired my life, my own life, and it will be inspiring for you too. Don't skip the video, see full video, and like our videos and subscribe our videos and support our channel. Now let's go to the video. One day, a child was tried to born in the womb of the mother. The child was tried to murder in the womb of the mother. For why? What the reason? For the poverty created by the family and his father had no work. His father had 3 sons and his mother had some works cleaning the dishes in the home, and when the father did not have any work, the mother see this family, and mother tried to see the family carefully. But one day a child was tried to born in the womb of the mother. That child was born in the miracle. The mother tried to kill the child in the womb of the mother, and the child, in the miracle way, the child borns. The child borns in 1985 in Madeira in Portugal, and he came, and in the small childhood, when father had some works, that is, father tried to clean the garden works, and in a football club, he is working as a gardener and cleaning the ground and seeing the rooms in the ground and seeing the shoes, everything in the ground. After that, in a small childhood, the father take and goes this child and father to the ground, not to play, not to do anything, only to work. After that, the child got an interesting in playing football. When this child was playing football with the bottle, when going to the ground and when coming back to the home also, he playing the football by the bottles. By seeing this father makes a football made up of clothes and gifted him. But all of this father is drink and being a drunk all the day and night. He drinks of the work given by work. He had no work, only the gardening work. For that reason only he drinks and be a drunkard. For that reason, mother is trying to kill him small when he was in the childhood, and this childhood, mother is trying to take hot beer, and the mother is going to the doctor and to abortion. The doctor tells, I can't abortion him. After mother tries to kill him by running on the way to vanish the child. After that, this child been all of the struggles and came forward and been a good player. After that child, seeing by the achievement and good place of this child, the father is going to a club and asking him to join, and the club are telling, I can't, we can't. And after, however, he works in a garden, but for the reason only they are taking with him to play. After that, he is playing well and he has no shoes. His shoes are torn and his shoes are torn, and he is very upset, and all are assaulting him and laughing at him. After that, he did not take in this mind. He take only the football as the challenge and the goal. After that, he tries. After that, Ronaldo. After that, he goes. After that, child was playing in a football tournament. After that, the child is playing well, and when playing he comes headache and he is falling in the ground. After that, he takes to the hospital, and his mother, his doctor, and three of them are waiting, and the doctor sees him and tells him that this is an disease caused to millions of one is causing this disease. To cure this disease, two options doctor gave. The first option is the child must leave totally the football, and child must not run. The second option is the child can play football or anything, but he should do the operation in a laser manner. If he does this operation, it will be affected to the life also. It will affected to die too, chances to die. After that, every mother tries to save the child in the laziest manner. After that, child's mother took the option number 1. After that, the child took the option number 2. He loved football, and the number 2 option is he does the operation in a laser manner. It will be affected to the life. It may be caused to death also. After that, he faced the struggles and came back to the normal position. After that, one day he was playing in the ground when a tournament was happening. A big owner of the football club trying to take him and giving him millions by seeing the achievements and the placements of this child. After that, this child taking as the tournament and giving the t-shirt of number 7, it is Cristiano Ronaldo CR7. He is giving the whole tournament, and the others are assaulting him and laughing at him at the playing. After that, one day when playing in the ground, everyone see his achievements. When the style of running in the football, when taking the football and hitting the goal, and clapping him and wash through them. And after that, when Ronaldo was playing, he became Cristiano Ronaldo and CR7 to the world. After everyone are clapping him when he come to the ground, everyone clapping him, and he has lots of fans in all over the world. By the situation, by his struggle, he faced all the struggles and came back when the struggles. He did not give up. His life did not come to full stop. If he does not full stop. And after that, when he was playing in a big tournament, he had the news that his father is died, and Ronaldo is thinking that I want to go to the home, but I can't go to the home. My father's and my mother's and the whole family is the ambition of football. My father's ambition, all the ambition of football. If I try the football and achieve, that will be a good to my father and whole family do a good thing. After he plays and won. After he did not go, after he tries the football, and if any thorns or stones, anything, he did not give up, and he did not abandon on your dreams. And after that, in the 5, we can see 5 tips. One is when Ronaldo was in the womb of the mother, Ronaldo's mother tries to kill. When the mother tries by abortion, this Ronaldo will be not in this world today as the Cristiano Ronaldo CR7. The second is if his father be a drunkard, drink and be a drunkard, this child will not go to the football and be a CI or CR7. The third is, if he is racing heart problem, he had a racing heart problem. If his mother took the first option, he took the first option. If he thus took the first option, he will not be in this world as Cristiano Ronaldo CR7. The fourth option is that all the struggles, all others assault him and laugh at him. The 7 JC, number 7 JC, he will not be. All the struggle, he did not give up, he did not abandon his dreams, and he tried to his dreams and he achieved. After that, we can see a motivational in this video. He did not give up. He came. He had an ambition. That he tried to that ambition and he tried to succeed that ambition. And every person in the world are trying the ambition. When struggles come, they keep the full stop and go. We must not keep the full stop and go. We must try and hope. We must try the ambition. Try to achieve the ambition, not keeping the full stop. He tried the ambition, he did not give up any self. His struggles, his poverty created by the family and every person. Don't give up, guys. You can try. Everything in the world you can try. But you have anything you can't. But you can. I think this video will be motivational video for the guy who was seeing this video. See you all in the next video. If the video is useful, please like our videos, subscribe our channel and share our videos when it is useful and to you and others also. Thank you guys for seeing this video.